What's going on, traders? Welcome to a brand new video. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I was able to pass the Funded Trader Challenge in one trade. I'm going to pop up a screenshot on the screen right now so you guys can see proof that I actually did this. As you see on the screenshot, I took technically two entries, but the third entry, the only reason that's there is because when I closed the first two out in profit, I was up 7.99999% out of 8%. So I was up 3.999K. And I had to make that extra dollar or else I don't pass the challenge. So I just put a quick half thought in and I got in within a minute or so. And that's the reason you see that third trade there. As you see, the one rate is 100%. And the only reason it is 100% is because I didn't lose a trade. I passed it in one trade. That doesn't mean my strategy is 100%. I do not have a 100% win rate strategy. All right. That's just to clear the air. Let me refresh this so you guys can see that this is actually the case, that I passed the challenge. It is not just a screenshot of a website. As you see, metrics still stand. So I passed it. It was technically one day, but I held it to the next day. It was within a couple hours. It was about 12, 15 hours that I passed it in. But I had to continue trading so I can get these trading days out of the way. So I have 3 more days to trade before I officially pass the challenge. But again, I got the hardest part out of the way. And as if you guys want to take a look, you see here that these are the positions that I took. This is the position that I was talking about where I had to throw in a quick half lot so I can make the extra dollar that I had to make. And these were the two positions that I initially took. This was a buy limit that I had. I decided to cancel that, and I got in with these two entries instead. And I'm gonna show you guys on TradingView exactly the trade that I took that helped me pass the challenge in one trade. So again, these are the metrics. Straight into profit, no drawdown. Well, I don't think I'll. Yeah, I was in drawdown a bit. I'll show you guys on the TradingView. So let's go ahead and hop into there. So as you guys see here, disregard this one right here. Let me actually close this out. It was actually this one that I took that helped me pass the challenge. So let's go back a little bit. Let's rewind. So as you guys see on the daily time frame, price ultimately bullish. So we've got this level that price tapped into. Price came back, retested. Price continued to make a bullish structure. And I expect the price to get back up here and retest this 1800 level before potentially continuing down. So I wanted to ride the wave up to the 1800 level for the retest. So if we drop down to a lower time frame, let's go back a little bit more. Lower time frames, same thing. Price was in its bullish state. Price continued to make higher highs and higher lows. So why would I sell in this state? No reason to. So I just continued to ride the wave up to the 1800 level that I anticipated price to get to. Now this doesn't mean that price. This doesn't mean that I know that price is going to get there, but I'm just anticipating price to get there. And if price gives me the setup that I'm looking for, I'm going to take it. Regardless if I lose or win, I'll take that setup every single time, as long as it lines up with my strategy. So let's continue. We see price continuing to make higher structure. I saw this level that price had not retested yet. Price shot up, looking for price to come back down to retest it cleanly. And I waited right here. You see this gray zone. Let me get rid of this. This gray zone that I have right here. I continued to wait for price to give me what I was looking for. And this was a 10-minute entry. So if we see, all we were looking for was this liquidity to be taken out, which happened right over here. And then I was looking for a break above this swing high. That's simply all I looked for. Liquidity be taken out and a break above the swing high. And I decided to get in about right over here, stop loss down here. And I'll be honest, we suffered a lot of drawdown, but it's not over until it's over. It is not over until it's over. Literally, price could get super close to your stop loss, but the trade's not over unless price hits your stop loss. Until price hits your stop loss. So price came down, and as you see, just think about it real quickly. We got tapped in right here. We suffered this much drawdown. Look at all this drawdown. This is about, let's see how many pips of drawdown that is. This is about, let me go back to this. This is about 15 pips drawdown. Price nearly hit our stop loss. But again, as I said earlier, it is not over until it's over. So if we go back to 10-minute time frame, price continued to give us what we're looking for. As you see, structure was breaking, so I was confident in this trade. Now, this trade I risked 2% just so I can catch a 1 to 4. So I can catch a 1 to 4 on this trade. I risked 2% so I can pass this because again, I was confident in it. This was my very first trade of the challenge, and yeah, this is exactly what price was I was looking for. Now, right here, I kept getting back in drawdown. Price shot up, got me back in drawdown. Now, in order for me to be confident, even more confident in this trade, what I wanted price to do was break above this level that you see right here and continue to trade above it. That's what I was looking for price to for me to become more confident in this trade and not have to worry too much about this trade. Again, price was stalling out. Then eventually we broke above this level. I don't know if there was news or something. This happened during Asian session. I don't think there was any news, but price just shot to the moon. And you see the 1 hour candle. This was a crazy 1 hour candle. And our psychology was tested on this trade, guys. Our psychology was definitely tested because if you look here, price almost got to our TP. Let me zoom in. Price almost got to my TP. And guess what happened? Price came right back down. So imagine price almost hitting your TP and then it coming right back down. So we were up about 3.5, 3.6K around here. And then price came back down to around 2,800. Just think about that for a second. Can you be psychologically disciplined enough to hold this trade? And in this case, I was, and it paid out for me because you see, a couple hours later, about 3 hours later, price hit my TP and we passed the trade. So again, trading is all about being patient and waiting for the proper setups. There was a quote that I saw where it said that trading is 10% buying, 10% selling, and 80% waiting. And it's so true. All you have to do is literally wait for your setup. That doesn't mean that you'll win 100% of your trades, but you will definitely win way more than you lose if you wait for the proper setups. Again, this was the trade that I took, and yeah, we're on to phase 2, guys. We're going to start off 2023 strong, and we're going to continue to hold this momentum that we have and ride it through 2023 and beyond. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys enjoy this breakdown. Expect more trades coming soon. Expect more trade breakdowns coming soon. And I may live trade my phase 2. I don't know yet. If you guys want to see me live trade phase 2, comment down below. Be sure, if you guys found value in this video, hit the like button. Again, I'm just here to share information with you guys. I'm no financial advisor. I'm just sharing my experience with you guys. You guys have seen me at the bottom. You guys are going to see me rise to the top. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace out.